I'm gonna show you how to do this cool galaxy clown person. It's actually really easy to do. I used a bunch of body paints and watered it down a lot to make it look like watercolor, but you can even use probably eyeshadows with a wet down brush and you'll probably get a similar effect. So I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm just gonna get straight into the video. If you like this video and want to see more stuff like this, please hit that like button if you enjoy this video and smack the subscribe button and join the horsepower. Now, no more horsing around. Let's get right into the video and let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is black out my eyebrows with a glue stick. Since we're painting ourselves white, I'm going to use concealer and cover over my eyebrows. That way it's not gonna look dark under the white. And there we go. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just wanted to lighten up the eyebrows so the darkness of the eyebrows that were left over isn't showing through the white. Next thing I'm gonna do is paint my face white. So my plan is I'm gonna be lighter toward the outside and it's gonna be a lot darker as I get toward my eye. I'm gonna start off with Graftobian Tropic Teal. I'm gonna use a lot of water, barely any paint, and just kind of do like a watercolor stipple, just where you could like barely see it. Just cover over a broad area. Next I'm gonna use a little bit of a smaller brush and go in with Mehron's Azur, which is kind of like a shiny blue, and do the same thing, just lightly put it on and then get a little bit darker as you get closer to the eyes. With purple paint, I'm gonna use an even smaller brush and then kind of stick to around the inner parts of my eyes. With the same size brush as the purple, I'm gonna go in with pink and just kind of flutter it in there. Is flutter even a word? I made it a word. Flutter it in there. Flutter it in there. Flutter. Now you can go back and forth between the colors and make things a little bit darker as you get closer to your eye and just kind of play around with the colors. Eventually you should look something like this. Now we're gonna go in with black. I'm using kind of like a precise brush like this and just going around my eyes and then stipple it toward the outside just like everything else. Actually, I'm gonna make a little point like that. I'm gonna pat my eyelids with black eyeshadow, that way the paint doesn't move around. Now I will line my eyeballs. For the stars, I'm gonna use like an eyebrow brush and then just splatter it around. Now for the mouth, I'm pretty much gonna do the same process. I'm only gonna do a little bit because I want the eyes to really pop, and the mouth is gonna be probably mostly black. The most satisfying part of the whole thing is painting on your clown lips. I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter to the lips. I'm gonna use Urban Decay's new Stone palette. I'm gonna go in with Ojo, which is the blue one, and slide across. I think I'm gonna splatter on a little bit of blue up on the top hairline there too. And then finally for your nose, I'm just gonna paint like a little black dot and then cover it with Ojo. finally, I'm gonna put my wig on, put my contacts on, and we're done.